Oh yeah, this is what I should be doing for my recovery for when I tore both my quadricep tendons completely away from my kneecaps. These are the exercises I need to be working on more than anything besides trying to lift heavy weight on the leg press like I was doing in the last video that you saw with 6 or 7 plates on there. These are more important to get my mobility back, my agility back, and I got to start doing them. So here we go. You see I'm a little shaky. Woo! I want to get to the point where I can let this go. As you can see, I got a long way to go. That's it. That's all I can do today. Stay tuned for more recovery. Oh.